It's a few years ago, and I'm preparing for a presentation to a brand new business networking group that I've just joined. The stakes are high. It's a group of influential people, and it's the first time I'm presenting to them. And after all, I am the professional speaker and speaking coach. But I am ready. I am ready to make this one of the best speaking engagements of my life. I've got a brand new suit, I've got perfectly polished slides, and I am ready. I get in front of the room, and I'm prepared. But a few seconds in, I realize that my clicker isn't working to advance the slides. And what's worse is that the laptop is all the way across the other side of the room, and there's no tech person to help me. Now, the other problem is that my presentation is carefully choreographed around the slides. I am frozen now. All eyes are on me, and I am drenched with sweat. And now something else happens. I am so nervous that my mouth goes completely dry. Duck lips. And I'm worried that nobody in the audience can hear or understand anything that I'm saying. I only wish there was like a trap door that I could just drop down into. But somehow I managed to get through it. I improvised without my slides. I focused on my message and just connecting with the audience. And that is what I've learned is what really good public speaking is about. It's not about being perfect. It's about knowing how to pivot. It's knowing your message, and at the end of the day, it's about connecting and being your authentic self. And that is why I've created the program, Share Your Story, Change the World, for speakers like you who want to learn how to own the stage, be authentic, confident, inspire, and have an impact on the world. So I hope you'll check out the link below for more information, and I hope to see you there.